for this program on 5th, that is death anniversary celebration of our legendary icon Dr. Pherangke. So we are going to celebrate it in the Pherangke centrally, and on that day we are expecting that more than 3,000 participants they would be assembled, and we are going to make a human scene there as for the program. And this particular program is basically based on the theme song of our legendary icon Manuhe Manuhor Babe, and this song would be almost sung by all the participants whosoever would be there, not only students but by all the participants we are inviting on that day. And the central program is to be guest by our Honorable MLA Pherangke, Sri Rup Singh Terence, and in presence of other invited guests and invited speakers and distinguished guests from different walks of life. They'll be all joining. At the same time, we are marking 20 such institutes from where the students will be there, along with Samsung T College students. Apart from that, we are going to have some other participants as well locally from Pherangke. And this is the program, and this would be a program starting from 11 onwards, and it will be a 1 hour program initially, and later on in the evening with the Cultural Association of Pherangke as well as its sub NGO, we are going to have a different program, because since Pherangke is having a statue of our legendary icon Dr. Pherangke, so where illumination of life with floral tribute we are going to offer, and followed by a musical sort of night on that day, at the same time by different singers locally and from other areas. So that's the focus. Actually, we thought that we should have a briefing to the media, and today we have all come, and thank you for that. At the same time, on 7th, basically we are having another program, that is Vande Mataram, which is supposed to be participated by all schools during their morning assembly. They are going to sing Vande Mataram in their respective schools. At the same time, our offices would be they are just calling their all officials to attend this function, and we are going to have a program here in a conference hall as well, where all of you are supposed to be invited today at the same, and please attend this program, and where we are going to all sing Vande Mataram on that day, and it will be continued for almost a year together up to 26, as we have been given to know right now. Today up to DC actually we have come to know. Apart from that, we are going to have Padajatra, that is Lukone, this Vallabhbhai Patel, Sardar Patel 150th anniversary, and that is we have scheduled on 14th of November this month, and it will be started from Soyali, and we are going to have almost around 2,000 participants along with us at the same time. Even the PLIs are also joining along with our district police. They are also going to join for this Unity March on 14th we have scheduled, and Honorable Guardian Minister Nandita Gaurasam ma'am is participating on that particular Padajatra, that is March, as ma'am has consented that she is going to grace the occasion as a guest. Thank you.
Yes.